This is how to tie and untie a bowline. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to create my bowline. I'm going to make a loop. Once I made this loop, now I take my standing end, I pass it up through that loop just a little ways, just like that. I'm going to take my working end, I'm going to pass it through that strand that we brought up through the loop, bring it back onto itself, and pinch it, and then I'm going to grab the standing end and pull it tight. That gives me my bowline. Now to untie the bowline, and we can do this even after it's been tensioned real tight, what we're going to do is grab the top of the knot, this section right here that looks like a bite that we created when we went around the standing end. I'm just going to take it and fold it forward. What that does is that loosens it against the standing end, and when I do that, it loosens this wrap right here and it allows us to pull the knot out. And that's how you tie and untie a bowline.